How to turn on and off notification setting in Rise of Kingdom. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer, and in this video we are gonna learn how to manage notification inside the Rise of Kingdoms game. First of all, open up Rise of Kingdoms on your Android, iOS or your tablet or iPad, and once you're inside the main city, go ahead and tap on the profile icon at the top left corner. This will open up the Governor Profile section where you'll need to click Settings at the bottom right, and inside the Settings menu, tap on Notifications. Now, you can go ahead and manage notification from this page. Go ahead and switch off or switch on the notification that you want to receive or not. If you want to disable a specific notification, simply go ahead and toggle off the button right next to the option. For example, if you don't want to be notified about upgrade and training, turn off the button right next to upgrade and training. If you want to turn on any notifications, toggle on the button right next to the option. So from here, you can go ahead and adjust or customize your notification setting for specific options inside your Rise of Kingdoms game. You can toggle each notification on or off as you prefer, and the setting will change automatically. So that's how you easily adjust your notification setting in Rise of Kingdoms game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.